This is for architects, landscape architects, engineers, designers, and specifiers. People who design for infrastructure, placemaking, resiliency, and connectivity in today's built environment.
People who recognize that the material they choose makes an impact on well-being, equity, sustainability, and project success.
Anytime you are looking for the right hardscaping products for your projects, the Unilock commercial website can help you find what you're looking for. Filter, search, and evaluate products by specific properties. Be inspired by precedent projects. Create specifications and submittals with the click of a button. Save and share documents, photos, products, and more with Unilock project portfolios. Now, just a click away, your product exploration begins. Visit commercial.unilock.com.